Zindus Infra India Pvt Ltd is a leading professionally managed structural, civil repair and waterproofing services provider company which was formed by experienced professionals.
Hello, I am Pvt Director of Zindus Infra India Pvt Ltd.
Terrace waterproofing. Regardless of the type of the structure, choosing appropriate waterproofing solutions and techniques requires an evaluation of factors such as cause or effect of the relationships, useful life, constructability, environment, aesthetics, and the overall cost benefits of the alternatives. Zindus understands the wide range of available solutions and has significant experience in the selection and application of these solutions for our clients. For more details, contact Zindus Infra India Pvt Ltd. We protect your shelter.